Sabihin ng mga tao, oh, mali yung ano mo, mali yung... Wow.
I'm excited.
Yeah, that's exciting. I told the fam bam.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Excellent.
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Happy Monday! Monday na tayo ngayon. Back to work. Hala, meron pala akong ganito. Gamit ako ng ganito. Malamig kasi. Pag-isip ko kanina, malamig. Dami na nating labahin. Siguro magpipick up kami ng towels today. Kasi nalabahan ko na yung mga damit namin. So, free na ako na maglaba ulit ng mga towels. So, either today or tomorrow. Siguro, isasabay na lang namin siya sa lakad namin bukas. Kasi may lakad kami ni Dan bukas. Pero, I'm editing. Yung routine ko lately is after ko mag-edit, gagawin ko yung aking workout. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung workout yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko siya film kasi, alam niyo naman, sabihin ng mga tao, oh, mali yung ano mo, mali yung, mali yung ganyan mo, baka mabash pa yung aking workout. Eh, tinatry ko lang naman. Pero papakita ko sa inyo maya kung ano yun. I just had my breakfast as well kanina. So, okay na ako. Breakfast pala muna, tapos edit, tapos workout, tapos lunch. Tingnan nyo naman yung aking buhok. Nakaka-happy yung buhok ko, guys. Noon kasi pagising ko sa umaga, parang wala na talaga akong buhok. Ngayon, in fairness sa kanya, meron akong ginagamit na ano. Naiwan ko kasi yung grow long ko na shampoo at saka conditioner. Iyon yung ginagamit ko noon. Kasi naiwan ko siya sa Pilipinas. Yung gamit ko is kung ano yung shampoo ni Dan, yun yung gamit ko. And then I'm using the treatment that I got from Japan. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi gustong-gusto ko yung treatment. Tsubaki na treatment. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Normally yung buhok ko medyo kulot, 'di ba? Tapos trinate ko siya kahapon. Hanggang ngayon, hindi siya like sobrang kulot. Medyo straight pa din siya and medyo bagsak pa din siya. I think I'm gonna get it trimmed. Like, trim lang ha. Hindi ko siya papuputulan ng maikli. Papatrim ko lang siya kasi nung pinakat ko to siya last time, hindi kasi siya sobrang nakat kung saan yung bagong tubo talaga ng buhok ko. Kinat ko siya like yung sa tamang length lang na hindi naman ako mukhang batang lalaki. 'Di ba? Yeah, siguro ipapatrim ko siya. Anyway, tatapusin ko lang tong edit ko, guys. And then, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, it's time to work out. Yung fina-follow ko na workout is ito. Abs in 2 weeks by Chloe. Yan, ayan. Abs in 2 weeks by Chloe. Anong pangalan nito niya? Sino to siya? Chloe Ting! So today, matatapos ko yung 1 week kasi nag-start ako guys Monday last week. And matatapos ako Monday next week sa ito, get abs in 2 weeks. Wala pa naman akong abs. Pero wala lang, ginagawa ko lang siya. 10 minutes lang kasi siya. So, 11 minutes and 4 seconds yung video, pero yung actual workout, 10 minutes lang siya. So, everyday talaga, wala pa akong fail from Monday hanggang ngayon. Kasi nag-start ako mag-workout nang pakunti-kunti lang naman nung November. November ba yun? Yeah, siguro mga end of November before ng Philippines trip namin. Hindi ako nakaka-workout kapag weekend kasi nandito si Dan. Tapos alam mo yun, family time. Pero because 10 minutes lang siya, sabi ko 10 minutes lang naman siya. Ginagawa ko siya before ako maligo sa weekends. Ngayon, I will do my workout. 10 minutes lang siya guys. So, mabilis lang siya. Kaluto lang ng rice ko. So, after nito, magluluto ako ng lunch. And then kakain. But, I'll do this first. Hindi ko i-film yung ano ko, yung pa-workout ko kasi baka mabash yung aking workout na hindi tama. Wow.
I'm excited.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Yeah, so it's just going to be tricky to see what we can build on it. Like, to get everything we want on it. But it's yeah, I haven't spoken to the agent called me, left a message saying, congratulations, you've been approved, and yada yada. So he's going to tell me the process. So but he just left a message. I tried calling him back on it, but
wow, but it's ours.
Yeah.
Wow. Everything's happening really, really fast.
Oh no, this happens quickly. They won't be in until next year. It's not a, this. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Dang, now you can be excited, my love.
Oh, now the fun begins. I actually went and popped into a mic just then. I haven't even before I knew I was approved. I just went to his on the way to work. I thought I'd just see him. I said to him, oh, look, we put in an offer.
Guys, kakauwi lang ni Dan. Hindi nga siya pumasok ng bahay diretso. Ako labas. Tapos Tapos, nandito kami. Where are we going, my love?
We're going to our new home. Did you tell them what we done?
No, I filmed a little bit when you called, but I haven't really explained what happened.
Okay. Do you want me to explain?
Go for it.
We brought a block of land. We're going to be building a house.
We put an offer in yesterday. Yesterday
How
night.
quick was that, my love?
I know, really quick. Yesterday night as well, guys. Yesterday night, and they took the offer today. Was that in the morning or early afternoon?
Late morning.
Late morning, yeah. Bigla lang tumawag, yeah, late morning. Bigla lang tumawag si Dan, tapos sabi niya, good news, we got it.
Good news, yeah.
Oh my
Plus,
goodness.
Good news, now a lot of work and a lot of stress for the next year.
Yeah.
Like once you give him the okay and pay the deposit, it's all.
Yeah. But oh my gosh, that happened really quick. They didn't even go like, because our offer, it is just,
It was a fair offer.
it was fair.
It was fair.
Yeah, they accepted the offer and now this block is ours. This is ours, guys. So we will go take a look. Sabi ni Dan, dadaan ako sa lote. Gusto mo sumama? Or ayaw mo pa din sumama? Sabi ko, okay, sama na ako kasi ate na naman to. Kahapon kasi, you know what? Yesterday night, we still drove past. Didn't we? We did.
I went there. Did you come with me last night?
Yes, we just drove. We just drove past.
Okay.
Yeah. Kagabi, dumaan kami, guys. After ng dinner, dumaan kami. Dumaan na naman kami. Pero dumaan lang, hindi na kami bumaba kasi medyo ano din nun eh, umuulan ng konti. You excited?
I am, but I'm just a little bit stressed.
Already?
Already.
Wala pa nga eh.
I'm stressed on hoping we can build what we want to build on it.
Okay.
That's what stresses me a little bit.
But why can't you build what you want to build?
Because
Council?
it's council.
Yo, dito kasi guys, hindi ka basta-basta makaka-build ng kung anong gusto mo. Depende kasi yung sa council. Yung council, what is council? Parang barangay.
The barangays.
Barangay, yeah. You alright?
I'm good.
Pagod na siya. You're tired, babe? No, you wish. Yan yung ano namin, yan yung aming future neighbor. Na-friend na namin yan kasi nung pumunta kami dito ng weekend, si Dan, sabi niya, hey mate!
The address is on the signboard, so don't show the signboard.
Yeah, I won't.
It's actually 2 square meters smaller.
Is it?
It's not 257, it's 255.
Okay. Is that okay? Alright.
It is what it is. It was a fair price, it was unconditional. They're the money, you get the money in 6 weeks' time. No mucking around.
Yeah, true. This is it, guys. It's not this one.
But it's,
Someone's gonna build here.
yeah.
This is ours.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito. Pahaba na naman siya.
You can show them what we're going to build. Like, it'll be like
Yeah.
sort of like that or like that.
We will be building something like that, guys.
But maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe look towards a bit further back.
Yeah. Kasi inano
More-
nila
more
eh.
like
They leave that vacant. Hindi namin alam kung bakit. Yung bahay na yan, pinasok na din namin yan nung weekend. May nagtatrabaho dyan, tapos sabi namin, pwede pumasok. Tapos pumayag naman sila kuya. So tinignan namin yung plano. Maganda dito kasi, bagong development siya. So,
I haven't seen what the guidelines are. Like, we'll get that this week. I'll read it.
yeah. So dito, kapag nag-build ka dito, because it's a new development, meron silang certain guidelines, guys.
It'll be 2-story, which is good.
Yeah, so 2-story lahat yung nandito, tapos lahat bago. So, you will be surrounded with new houses. So, this is bago, and yun, bago din siya, guys. Yun, yung nasa tabi niya. Yun, maganda yung plano no, or design ng bahay na yun. Mas malaki siya compared dito. Pero, I'm pretty sure may rason tong mga to kung bakit hindi nila in-extend dun. Oh, sayang kasi yung space dun. Parang isang kwarto na yan dyan. Yeah, this is it. Pansit. We got it, guys. Ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig. Nag-ano na naman siya, nag-measure na naman siya. Yung isang meter, yung isang ganun niya. So, lagi siya naglalakad ng ganyan kapag nag-measure siya. Oh, good? So, hindi ito yung amin, ha? Parang plinain lang nila to kasi
This
magbibuild
will be
sila
a
dito.
rough outline of the house that we're looking to build here. I reckon this is what
Okay.
that is, I'm sure.
Diyan yung amin, guys. Diyan. Yeah. You happy?
I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Good.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's gonna be really good.
And just think, our outlook's not gonna be over this side a bit more.
Yeah. So, pinili namin yung block of land na...
This is gonna be squishy, though. Oh, no,
Squishy?
This is not bad. No, this is not bad. Look on that.
Okay. No, it's not squishy. Alright. Pinasok na namin tong bahay na to kasi sina kuya, yung ano nga namin, future neighbor namin, napaka-friendly nila. Tapos sabi niya, na-meet na niya daw yung ibang neighbors. So, sabi niya, ano naman, so far, sobrang babait daw. Tapos, usually, may mga pamilya na. So, maganda dito, no, kapag, alam mo yun, mga bata, magtakbo-takbo. Kasi hindi siya main road, eh. Yung pumupunta dito lang is yung nakatira lang talaga dito.
They,
so, it's safe for the kids to play outside.
And we're really, really close to the hills. So, we're, say, 10 kilometers from the city.
Yep.
Which is good. And
yeah, not far from the city.
hills are right there. Right there. So that's good.
Yeah. What else? What else is good about this place? At this block?
We're in good school zones.
Yeah.
So I like we're in good school zones. And the shops are good as well. These are our shops we like shopping at. So Kmart, 5 minutes.
Not far at all, guys.
We haven't moved too far from where we are at the moment. So
yeah, hindi kami malayo sa bahay. So we're still local, you know. Local pa din kami dito.
But we won't move. Like, it's gonna take. We probably won't start. It probably won't be finished until April next year.
Yeah.
So it's still a long way away.
Yeah. I told the fam bam.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Excellent. I was hoping you did that before you.
Yeah, no, I told them, and then I told them that you need to come over to see the old house before we sell it. I know. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
That's just taking the serenity, my love.
Oh, wow.
I wonder why they've got.
Hello, uy, babe. My hair. It is really orange, isn't it?
It is orange.
What did he say?
How come they got this fence around here?
Oh. Maybe because nobody's building it?
Maybe because it gives the builders storage on this land while they're building. That's probably why.
Okay. So this is a different block, is it?
Yeah, it's a different block.
And that's not the neighbor's block?
No, not the guy.
So that's not sold yet?
That one's sold.
That one's sold as well?
Yeah, it's just this one here. That's the last
okay.
That
So
one
we...
here, one on the
Hello,
side.
guys. Buti na lang umabot tayo talaga.
What's
Lucky that we got this. There's only 2 blocks left, yeah?
2 blocks.
Yeah, that one and this one. Now there's only one left. Exciting, very exciting.
We might have the
I hope it's not very windy, so guys, you guys can hear us. What are you thinking?
The driveway might go on this side here, babe, instead of that side.
Why?
The reason is just because we can't really show them here. So ito yung bahay ng aming neighbor, guys. Pinasok na namin to kasi open lang siya. Tapos ng weekend walang nagtatrabaho dito. Pero ganyan siya. See, yung boundary dapat dito 1 meter, tapos sa taas dapat 2 meters. Where are you going? Dito na naman kami. Oh, good, babe? Oh, good, man. Yeah, first house in Australia.
Aww. Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't that house my house as well?
Yeah, but first one with, you know,
just kidding.
from the start. It is your house as well.
It's
of course
good.
it is.
Just kidding. Buang.
No, it is.
Yeah, I know.
But this is like, you know, this is from the start.
I know.
This is from the start.
I know.
Right,
Are you ready for all the arguments coming?
I know there's going to be a few. Let's both be reasonable and don't get upset easy. Okay? Don't feel like, oh, you're taking over. You gotta like...
Nah, I like it. I like that you're taking over.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Well, not yet. I'm still soaking it in, my love.
Oh, wow.
I'm serious.
Hindi pa siya tapos sa ilang beses na kami dito nagpunta. Hindi, okay lang. Excited siya, guys. You're very excited, babe.
I am.
I know. Dito kami sa Foodland, guys. Nandun ang Foodland. Sa sobrang excited namin kahapon na ilang beses pabalik-balik doon sa lote. Wala kaming grocery shopping na nangyari. Walang nangyaring grocery shopping kahapon. And wala din nangyaring grocery shopping ngayon.
Do I still have broccoli left, babe? Do you cook with the broccoli?
I think there's one left.
Yeah.
Half
that's all right,
left,
that's all right.
yeah. Kanina, late din kasi siya dumating galing work. Busy siya sa work. Busy na nga siya sa work. Tapos, sobrang binibisi pa niya yung sarili niya sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, pagod siya, guys. Ang taong busy, malamang pagod. Bili lang tayo ng pang-quick dinner. Bibili sila ng, what are you gonna get? Spinach? Spinach. Feeling ko wala silang sayote dito. Uy, sabi ko kay Dan sayote, pero ano daw wala daw sa wala sa season, hindi season ng ng choco ngayon or sayote. Wala, usually or sometimes, not usually, sometimes they have green papaya. What?
No?
I'm not eating it.
I want to be healthier. I'm not gonna eat it.
Spinach? Hala. Akala ko okra. Maliit pala na ano. We're home, guys. Ito lang yung mga binili namin sa Foodland. Kunti lang kasi. Pang dinner lang ngayon at saka bukas. Kasi Wednesday, may dinner kami kasama yung girls. Yung ano na naman, eat all you can buffet. So, bumili kami ng aking paboritong Italian biscuit. Spogliatelle. Yan. Iba-ibang klase siya. Pero pretty much the same yung lasa niya. And it's really good. Now we saw this. And naalala nyo yung kinain namin na Dan, yung bumili siya sa, yung nabili niya sa shop na binake lang namin na mushroom. May nakita kami, nakasale siya, $1.39 lang tong lahat, guys. And malalaking mushroom siya. Hindi kasing laki nung dala ni Dan, pero masarap to. Lagyan ng cheese, tapos lagyan ng bacon. And i-bake lang siya. Very, very good. Sobrang sarap. And madali lang. Bumili ako ng talong. Naghanap ako ng maliit na talong kasi hindi ko ito makaubos, pero wala. Ang laki ng talong dito, guys. Isa, bumili akong kamatis kasi mag-e-egg lang ako mamaya. And then, I saw this as well. Probiotic drink siya. Be Well yung tawag. Try natin. Hindi pa din namin na sa uli yung probiotic drink ko kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta ng Coles. We got barbecue sauce, spinach, cream cheese for cooking. Kasi si Dan mag-chicken na naman siya, guys, yung my cream cheese. We've got bacon. And then, we have steak for Dummy Boy's dinner tomorrow. Yung dinner ko bukas is yung talong. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng egg. Tortang talong na rin. Alright. Magluluto. Simulan na natin yung kay Danny Boy kasi i-bake pang yung kanya. Yung akin, mag-omelette lang ako eh. Omelette. Guys, nagluluto na ako ng omelette. Inuna ko yung kamatis at saka onion. So, nandiyan na siya. Kasi gustong-gusto ko na lutong-luto yung kamatis at saka onion. Na-miss ko yung omelette sa amin. Yung iba kasi yung ano dun eh, yung pan. Alam mo yung hindi non-stick na pag ganon. Non-stick kasi to, so iba yung luto niya. Yung pag ganon siya, tapos kailangan mo damihan ng oil, tapos kailangan mo painitin ng oil. So kapag nilagay mo yung egg, nagbubula-bula. Tapos, ang sarap, ang sarap. Na-miss ko yun. Hindi ko yung magagawa dito. Gusto ko bumili ng ganong pan. Yung hindi non-stick. Anyway, ilalagay ko na yung egg. Yung egg, tinimplahan ko na ng salt at saka pepper lang naman. Yun lang. So, yung omelette ko naging scrambled. Okay lang yan. Mag-scrambled egg na lang tayo. Uy, yung ano na. Latang-lata na yung ano. Lata ba din yan sa Tagalog? Yung latang-lata na yung kamatis. Sarap tingnan. Ayan, naging scrambled egg na yung omelette ko, guys. Na-bake ako ng chicken na danan, lagyan ko ng spinach. Yun yung dinner ko kasi nagsawa na ako doon. Kung si Dan hindi nagsasawa na ako doon. Pero i-request niya eh. Yung broccoli niya wala pa. Magbo-boil ako ng tubig mamaya kapag malapit na maano yung ano niya. Pag malapit na mag-bake yung kanyang chicken. Alam niyo kung yung nakalimutan kong bilhin sa shop? Rice. Wala na akong rice. Kunti na lang natira. Babe, I ran out of rice. I mean, maybe I have like 2 cups left, but that's it. I have that on my list, but I forgot. Yeah, next time. Remind me, please. Having dinner. I have glow up on yung series na gusto ni Miss, ano siya? Makeup. Pero I think I'll change it. If Dan wants to watch something with me, but he doesn't really, because he's too busy for me now.
I'm way too busy for you now. Serious, I'm working. I gotta work for the next year.
I got my omelette. It's really good. Right?
It's not really an omelette, it's more just scrambled.
Oh, scrambled. Sorry. Yeah, no.
It's good. Should put a little bit of bacon in it though.
No, I don't want bacon.
You don't
I
want bacon?
want
Okay.
pork.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Good. Guys, tapos na ako mag-skincare. Mask na lang. Isang mask na lang natira dun sa mga tinabi ko kasi si Dan gumagamit na. Si Dan nandun pa din sa lounge. She's still working on the plan para sa, yun nga, para sa ipapatayong bahay. Sabi ko, hindi mo naman kailangan ngayon gawin lahat, pero gusto niya yan gawin eh. Ganyan talaga siya kapag nagta-travel kami. Ginugugol niya talaga yung panahon niya para magplano. He is such a planner and he is a good planner. And hinahayaan ko lang siya kasi yun naman yung nagpapasaya sa kanya, guys. Ang swerte-swerte ko kasi siya. Sobrang galing niya magplano. And hindi siya yung klase ng asawa na plano lang siya ng plano mag-isa. Nagpaplano siya. Tapos kapag may naplano na siya, sasabihin niya sa akin. Tapos tatanungin niya, oh, what do you think? Ganun. And most of the time, agree ako sa kanya. Sometimes when he's stuck, sasabihin niya lang sa akin, Raz, I'm stuck. What do you think? So, parang ini-include niya pa din ako ba? Tapos, ina-update niya pa din ako 100%. So, walang problema. Pero, hinayaan ko siya magtrabaho ng kanya kasi ayoko siyang disturbuhin. Mangolekta na naman tayo ng mask kasi isa na lang yung natira kong mask and si Dan mag-mask na naman ngayon. Yung mga ganito kasi, yung mga free sa Yes Style kasi mahilig sila mamigay ng mask sa mga order. So, yun yung mga gusto kong gamitin. So, itong mga tigi-isa lang sila ba? Ayan. Dalawa pala sila yung animals. Itabi natin dun. Ilagay natin dun sa bedside para magamit natin. Ayan. Itong mga to. Lagay natin sa bedside itong mga to. Nagmamask na ako gabi-gabi, guys. Dahil nga ito gusto ko silang ubusin. Hindi lang kasi ito. Meron pa akong boxes ng ito. Mga mask pa pala to lahat, guys. Boxes of mask na galing Japan. Hindi ko pa yan na-touch. Like, isang box ng lululun. Parang lululun na naman. Tapos may yung mga packs ng mask, hindi lang siya isa lang. Tapos kailangan mo siyang daily gamitin ata. So, ito muna. Ubusin muna natin tong mga to. Sana magpahinga na yun sila. Kasi kanina pa talaga yun dun. Dating niya galing work, pinaglutuan ko ng dinner. Siya pa naghugas ng pinggan. Bait-bait niya talaga. Nagluluto ako, hindi ko napansin. Naghugas siya ng pinggan. Kasi sabi ko, like, gagawin ko lahat as much as possible ba. So, inayon ko na yung mga clothes niya for the whole week para wala na siyang isipin ba. Kasi kapag naunahan niya ako, siya talaga nag-a-iron, guys. So, hindi niya ina-iron yung like lahat for the whole week. Pero gusto ko siyang unahan para ako na magawa. Wala na siyang gagawin. Lalo na ngayon na like, sobrang lulong talaga siya sa pagpaplano. And hindi yan titigil hanggat hindi niya nakukuha yung gusto niya. Hanggat hindi siya satisfied, and I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon kasi alam ko na kahit na mag-come up siya sa idea ngayon, that will change, like alam mo yun, and hindi pa nga kami nag-meet ng like builder namin, wala pang ganun. Ito like plano lang talaga na siya lang kasi parang kailangan pa namin mag-meet ng draftsman, yung tutulong sa'yo mag-draft. Pero gusto niya, kapag minute niya yung draftsman, meron na siyang idea kasi sila magdo-drawing lang sila ba. Meron na siyang idea kung saan ilalagay yung ganito, ganyan. So, hinayaan ko lang siya. Nandun lang siya. Pinatay na niya yung ilaw sa hallway kasi sabi niya, huwag mo na akong hintayin. So, napaka-seryoso na niya do. He's too busy for me now. He is way too busy for me. After niyang sa plano, pumunta siya sa mga kwarto, sa kung saan saang parte ng bahay, nagbe-measure. Kasi, inaano niya, parang iniisip niya talaga kung ano talaga yung magandang plano. How are you, babe? Getting there. I'm telling them that I have the best husband.
Yeah, thank you.
Because you are such a great planner.
You've done a lot of good ideas actually, my love.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
I
you've
know.
done really well.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good
this-
ideas?
Very good ideas.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Yeah. You look at it for an hour, I look at it for a minute.
Bam.
Just kidding. Good job, my love. May mga notes na yung kanyang planning. Sige na, mask time. Let's go to bed.
No, quite yet. We're on a roll.
Nah, what time is it? It's too late, babe.
It's 11:15, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Oops, sorry.
Let's go.
10 past.
I know. Don't stay up too late. Sige na, so I'll put your mask on.
Spend 5 minutes with me while I do this.
5 minutes with you? Sure.
Okay.
Let's spend 5 minutes with the hubby boy.
You're not going to bed in 5 minutes.
Huh?
You're not going to bed.
Okay. Sige, 5 minutes, guys. Wait, ha.
Can I bring this to bed?
Why? Do you need it?
What is this?
Guys, 20 minutes later. Okay lang. Oh, good?
No good.
Alright, let's go to bed, my love. What did you print?
Full length.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
They're all the same as one. They're all the same as that. Then I'm going to make heaps of changes.
Yep. Alright. We'll put mask on you to relax you, babe. Okay?
I'm alright.
Ito yung napili ko kay Dan, guys. Purifying sheet mask. Penguin. Ito yung akin. Wala pa din siya, guys. Asa na yon? Ayun, pinapatay na niya yung ilaw. Medyo malaki yung mask, guys. Kagaya nung kahapon, so medyo tricky siya ilagay. But Dan is a penguin.
I'm a penguin. Thank you, babe.
That's alright. You're a
I
penguin.
look like a wanker. Oh, that looks so bad. My God.
You're a penguin. Penguins are cute.
I don't think I look cute.
No, you look alright. Let's close this vlog. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon.
Good night, penguins.
Be good, guys. Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Mwah.